Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through an incredibly useful tool that can help you stay organized and ahead of your deadlines. We're making an assignment tracker using Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a personalized digital system for keeping all your assignments, due dates, and progress in one easy-to-access place. Whether you're a student managing a busy semester or just someone who likes to get things done efficiently, this assignment tracker is about to be your new best friend. All right, let's jump straight into it. First, you want to open up your browser and head over to the Google Sheets main page. If you're already logged into your Google account, you'll see a bunch of options and possibly some of your recent documents. But what we're looking for is something called the template gallery. It's right there at the top of the page. Give that a click. The template gallery is like a little treasure chest of pre-made documents for just about any occasion, from budgets to schedules. And yep, you guessed it, assignment trackers. Take a moment to scroll down through the gallery. Don't rush here, there are tons of templates that might catch your eye, but the one we want is called Assignment Tracker. Once you spot it, just click to select. This is going to open up a fresh new copy, totally yours to edit and customize from here on out. Now, looking at your new assignment tracker, you'll notice it's already set up with super helpful columns. Things like subject, assignment, status, time, start date, and due on. These columns are more than just labels, they each serve a critical purpose in keeping you organized. The subject column lets you separate assignments by class or even by project type. This is great if you're juggling multiple courses or responsibilities. The assignment column is where you type in the specific details of what needs to be done. Be as descriptive as you want, the more detail now, the less confusion later. Then we have status, which is perfect for tracking your progress. Maybe you mark things as not started, in progress, or completed. Like little traffic lights for your workflow, these statuses help you quickly see where things stand at a glance. Time can be a handy spot to jot down how long you expect a task to take, or maybe how long you actually spent on it once done. That can help you plan even better for similar assignments in the future. The start date and due on columns let you set clear timeframes so nothing sneaks up on you. It's that classic calendar trick: the sooner you know what's due, the better you can plan your workload. Now comes the fun part, customizing it to fit your life. Maybe you want to add more details like a priority column, or maybe color code your rows based on how urgent something is. Don't be afraid to experiment. Google Sheets is super flexible, so play around with fonts, colors, or even add conditional formatting if you want high-priority assignments to really pop out at you. If you make a mistake, no worries, you can always undo with Ctrl+Z, so feel free to explore. And that's it, you've got an efficient, easy-to-use assignment tracker. Remember, the power of this tool comes from making it work for you. Check in with it daily and tweak your tracker as your semester goes on. You'll be amazed at how much less stressful managing tasks can feel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and drop a comment below with any questions or if you have tips for customizing your tracker. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck keeping your assignments on track.